The depth gauge reads 380 feet. We have a visual on the target.
S-300 launcher confirmed at 15-degree tilt. Significant marine growth on the cab and stabilizer jacks. Missile tubes show severe deterioration.
Посмотрите сюда. Это определенно пусковая установка С-300.
Координаты отмечены, капитан. Подъем возможен, но сложен.
44 tons is significant. Are the crane specifications sufficient?
Yes, but the sonar shows instability here.
All right, team, keep the tension steady. We are lowering the S-300 now. Descent rate holding at 10 meters per minute.
Bridge, this is Diver 1. We have the forward straps position. Copy, Diver 1. Proceed with torch clearing on the starboard side. All right, divers, prepare for tension. Ease it up slowly. Roger that. Monitoring cable strain. It's moving.
Lowering sequence initiated. Maintain stabilization.
Roger that. Moving to secure the guide wires.
Secure the starboard line. Опускайте медленнее.
We finally cleared the marine growth. The serial number is visible now.
Good. Start the 3D scan on that section immediately. We need the corrosion mapping data. Look at the degradation on these rails. It's completely seized.
Documenting as catastrophic failure due to corrosion.
It's destroyed beyond repair. The fuel system is completely corroded.
Confirmed. We have to replace the entire power plant.
Look at the pitting on these gear teeth. The seawater contamination is severe.
The bearings are completely shot.
Look at this leakage. The mounting points are completely corroded and the jacks are seized.
It's unstable. The entire system needs a full rebuild.
The hydraulic rams are completely corroded solid. This elevation mechanism is severely compromised.
The fire control workstation is completely compromised by saltwater exposure. Look at this wiring harness.
Documenting as unsalvageable. The corrosion is total.
We authorize the complete teardown. The restoration budget is approved at significant cost. We expect the timeline to be strictly adhered to.
That entire segment is red. Material loss is critical at this stress point.
We can confirm the main load bearing frame is compromised.
Significant rust penetration here, consistent with the last report.
Roger that. Logging it now.
Careful with the torch there.
Almost through the mount.
Okay, hoist, start the lift now. Slowly. All right, clear the differentials. Lifting now, keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the left side. Okay, slowly lower the front axle now.
Watching the brake lines. It's almost clear of the frame.
Get that alternator loose now.
It's coming out. Watch the wiring harness. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Hoist looks stable. Keep it coming up slowly.
All right, take it up slowly. Watch the harnesses on the left.
This entire section needs to be cut out and replaced.
Agreed. We have to report that a complete restoration is
Final measurements confirmed.
Perfect alignment. Status verified. Torque it to 75 foot-pounds.
75. The new seal is seated correctly.
We're aligned. Start lowering. Copy that.
I'm putting the impact wrench on the bell housing bolts now.
Make sure the backlash is set correctly on the pinion gear. It's within tolerance, ready for the torque wrench.
Serial number confirmed. It matches the documentation.
Very good. Finalize the report and prep it for transport.
All right, let's torque this down to spec. Start the hydraulic wrench.
Engaging the tool now.
A little to the left.
Okay, hold it there. Looks aligned now. Start the bolts.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the input shaft.
Copy that. Steady now. Make sure the alignment is precise before we tighten the final strap.
It's aligned. The torque is set correctly now.
Fuel lines are clear and secured.
Okay, lower it gently. Watch the brackets. It's seated. Pass the wrench.
Did you route the engine harness through the firewall yet?
Yes, just secured it. Check the schematic for the lighting circuit.
How's that tension feel?
Good. Steady there while I secure this main lead.
All connections are tight. We are set.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it. Secure.
Watch the clearance on the frame. Clear. Lower it slowly.
Final check on the torque settings here.
Looks good from this side. No leaks detected.
Make sure the pressure line is seated before you tighten the return.
Got it. Routing the cotter pin now.
Are the floor panels secure on your side?
Yes, just finishing the seat mounts now.
How's the console testing?
Brackets secured. Run the diagnostic sequence. Copy that. Power levels stable. Interface initializing now. Powering us the interface now.
Confirming system status.
Radar sweep is active.
We need to secure this main actuator line first.
All right, I've got the torque wrench. That should hold the elevation tube steady.
Are the safety interlocks fully engaged?
Yes, all systems show green on the platform monitor.
right, slowly down. We need perfect alignment on those mounts. Clear on the left side. Go ahead and secure the hydraulics. Torquing the final bolts now.
Pressure is stable on the hydraulics. Electrical harness secured. Integration complete.
Safety interlocks engaged. Initiating automated sequence simulation.
Confirmed. All launch parameters green. Timing verified.
Continuity check successful on bank 4.
Copy that. Powering up the main control. We have green across the board.
Pressure stable at max tolerance. How are the couplings looking?
No leaks detected on my end.
All right, system certified.
Torque on connection B14 verified. No deflection noted.
Logging the reading now. The checklist is complete.
Good. The structural integrity is certified.
Insulation resistance is steady. Readings are optimal.
Verified. The system fully complies with military specifications. Pressure stable and within limits. Actuators cycled successfully.
Verified. The S300 is certified for deployment.
Drivetrain assembly looks solid. How are the tolerance readings?
Perfect. And the lubrication levels are confirmed.
Launch parameters confirmed. Software version verified.
Combat capability validated. The system is ready.
Platform is fully elevated. Stability confirmed. Readings are nominal. Load secured, boss.
Comms check, secure link established. Echo 1, how do you read? Over.
Pressure verified. Initiating full stop test now.
Brakes engaged on all wheels, holding steady.
Fire control online, targeting parameters locked.
Interlocks disengaged. Sequence start.
Simulated launch successful. All systems green.
Tubes elevating, angle steady at 980.
Confirmed trajectory. Safety systems engaged. Launch sequence complete.
Braking distance is within parameters. Good run.
Command post, this is Field Unit 1. Radio check, over. Encrypted link established. Data flow is nominal.
Battery charging properly. All electrical loads supported.
Alternator producing full power. Electrical self-sufficiency verified.
The S300 is being tested in a heat chamber at plus 50 degrees Celsius. The test is complete. No failures reported across the board. Maintenance intervals are verified. The data looks solid.
Slow approach. You are clear on the left side.
Roger. Halting at the designated mark.
All testing is complete. The S-300 meets all specifications.
Very good. The certification is granted. Let us sign the documents.